I say me was one of the lead singer on the church choir.
See
and
there?
right from this, you don't know, say yo, me get inspired big time by the one and only world boss himself, Vibes Cartel. You see me? So you can know say yo this so you see me the lyrical, you get me? Content come from you get what me I say my idol that you get me.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week, we're there Portmore for sure. Out there on the block.
With the one and only Popstar YG, you know badness go down.
Popstar YG. Yo fam, welcome to the show.
Man. Bless up, man.
Yes, I. So, right away, Popstar. Let's tell you a little about who Popstar is and where the I hail from.
Well, Popstar YG, you don't know say yo, Popstar YG the lyrical finest and I hail from Nagozet, Portmore down.
Right there, so there.
No thing go. Yeah.
So, how you get into music though?
Well, you know, so really and truly, when I really get into music was an inborn thing in me still, you see me, but
Yeah.
really and truly still, it all started from, you know, a song named Ready It. You know, you must hear about that
Yes
song.
man,
there.
ready it.
Already, you see me, so on Friday, Ready It usually have a every Friday thing, you get what me I say, so you know, say yo, on Friday when the sound string up, you get me, one of the song them when them usually used to tune up the sound. I think it was a Sanchez, you know. I say, when you were young, you're not afraid of the dark. You get me?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's one of the first song when me did like, and then from this, so you get me. You know, say when I grow older, high school days, you know, where I sing from church choir and then thing. You get me? I say me was one of the lead singer on the church choir.
See
and
there?
right from this, you don't know, say yo, me get inspired big time by the one and only world boss himself, Vibes Cartel. You see me? So you can know, say yo, this so you see me the lyrical, you get me? Content come from you get what me I say my idol that you get me.
Yes I. So, describe your style of music though.
Well, my style of music is really a unique type of music. You get what me I say? My music are really based off of, you know, what I see around me, you get what I say, that inspire me, you get what I say, my lifestyle, you get what I say, and you get what I say, the whole environment, what I see, you get what I say, so basically, yeah, that my music represents.
Growing up in Nagozet, what is it like though? What is life like in Nagozet?
Well, personally, as I hear the name Nagozet, it's not a, you know, a nice place, you know, violence and them things there, you know. More time you will hear about them things, but for me, Nagozet they really are one of the best places for me, you get me?
Yeah.
You know what they say, you know them say, oh, no it's nice like home. So you get me, I say, Nagozet that will really build Popstar YG, you get me, I say, yeah, from my youth, you get me, I say, the street grew me. You see me, and make me who me is, you get me, I say, yeah. So
But
basically, yeah, alright, that's it, you see me?
as you mentioned about the Popstar YG though, tell me about the name because Popstar YG.
Alright, basically my nickname from me was like from me a small, from a born at least, you see me? A Pops. You get what me I say? And how the name Popstar YG come about still. I really my neighbor, I'm a barber, you see me? So I line up clean and thing. Yeah.
So big up Barber right
Big up
now.
barber, booker, you know the thing got done every time
See
done.
there?
So you see me? When I tell the dog, say, you know, say, your music I think. The dog I say, yo, youth, you know, say, yo, from your youth, dog, you're a born star. And a Pops your name, you see me? So you can't gonna get a pop star, you see me?
Right,
and
right.
the whole YG come about, I'm glad you asked that because here I go on. You see, YG, young generation, you see me? Musically, and me are one of the first persons to say, yo, young generation. You get what I say? Where I say, yo, young generation, we are the young generation. So I say, yo, big up motive, you see me? One of the young generation them to see me, you see me? So the YG thing that come about from young generation, I will shorten it and say young Jenna. Be a man go run with young Jenna now. So I say, here I go on now. We're going to say YG, you see me? Because we not too like go with people, because you see me? And we don't really want to stray from the topic, you see me? You have a talk with the name Up Top. You see me, the talk there? And we really put that to the forefront. You get what I say? One of my dog where them man they inspire me big time for the music. And they man, big up yourself, you see me? Him say yo, call me one night and say yo DJ, we have a new talk we are gonna run with it now, up top. You see me? I say yo, run with it, you see me? I say yo, alright then, I say nothing more fam. And from this, so you see, we say up top. Them time we in a whole heap of groups and things, you see me? African group and BA things, you see me? And from this, so up top take off, man. You see me? And we have a receipt for the thing, you get me? Because you can check back Facebook or anything from back in 2014, 2016, them time, them time they were say, yo, YG, up top everything, you get what I say? Yeah, man, so. As me I say, yo, I saw we come up with the Popstar YG, you see me, so I don't want to go straight too far from the topic, but just to make the people know that they see it, basically, yeah.
So, we can't in a Portmore city and we're not talk about the influence of the teacher. Because you mentioned him as one of the influences, one of your musical influences. So, tell me, in terms of how the teacher inspire, and if it's somebody ever meet at our par on or
alright, you know, so basically
speak lyrics what?
Here I go on now. I never meet the teacher yet personally, you get what I say, but growing up as a youth, you see me, Vibes Kartel one of the most lyrical things ever here, you get what I say? And I say, watch out, when I play music, I say, you what, something you want lyrical like a god to, you get what I say? So, you see me, and up to today, you see me, I still one of the most lyrical things. Hear otherwise from myself, you get what I say? Big woman thing. So I say, you big up a teacher because I father that, you get what I say? You know, say nothing not before the time, no. Yeah, so when the time right and when the time come, you don't know, say, yo, man, the daddy I go link up, though. Yeah, man, a Gaza will set it straight, though. Gaza YG.
So, Popstar, talk to us now about some of the new music, some of the music we have out there run place.
Well, right, you know, first and foremost, I want to talk about Chop Lord. You get what I say, that video they are going good. You see me get a couple thousand views on YouTube and thing. You get what I say? Yeah. Also, I want to check out Chop Lord 2. The song they do good over Audio Mac, you see me? Peak about number 13 for Audio Mac trending, you see me? And you know the thing, me and Momo YG do that one day, you don't know, say yo, you see me? Partner in crime and everything, so I say, big up yourself, Momo, though. Yeah, man, I have a song we just dropped yesterday, basically, you see me? Yeah, that song that just a day old, you see me? That song they name Hot Topic. Basically, you know, that song they just talk on the radio, you get what I say, cause, you know, people talk, so I my time for talk, you get what I say? Basically, you get what I say?
So what the hot topic where they are talk about? What the hot topic now?
Well, basically, you get what I say, yo, enough thing them talk, so I have to talk my mind, you see me? I fasted them from a long time, so I have to draw the line. Them say good friend hard to find. The only thing we can depend on I'm a 9. You get what I say? Man been through the hardest time. A bag of things, man. You see me? When I talk about them say we're not going away and a bag of things, you see me? Yeah. You know say them have to talk we are the hot topic though. So that's why we got hot topic.
See that. And right away, where the people them can find the hot topic, tell them about the socials where them can find your music and all these things.
Well, you don't know, you can find Popstar YG on Instagram, you see me? You don't know as I say Popstar YG, you see me? So you can even Google me, man, Popstar YG there everywhere, man, you see me? You can find me song them on Apple Music, Spotify, you get me? You don't know the badness, come on, you see me? Just type in Popstar YG, Google me, you see me? You see me type in it in a Spotify anywhere, man, you see me, you can find it in them, it's not hard to find, though, 1 3.
See so Popstar, what's next for you though in terms of your career, shows, albums, EPs, what's cooking?
Well, you know, so right now we have a lot of things in our pot to cook, though.
See,
yeah, man, whole heap
down.
of things are curry up on a stew down, though. Yeah, man, we have some bugger project, you see me? Some overseas label and thing, you see me? I work with Owner City Records, same way, you see me? And basically, you see me, Popstar YG music never stop, you see me? Because we are talented artists and he's a great songwriter, so, you see me?
Yeah.
You don't really take nothing to write that song, you get me? Yeah, a simple 1 3, you get me? Yeah, once you give me a rhythm, it's a new song that are 3 new songs, or even 10 new songs, you see me?
Right,
Have it like that, though.
In terms of fellow entertainers, though, who out there you see where you want to probably you know, work with outside of the teacher? Because we know say him are the inspiration, but
Well, you know, say, yo, really and truly, you see me? Even though I say, yo, Gaza, you don't know, say, yo, you see me, we are still a mutual youth, same way, you get what I say, so I'm willing to do any music with anybody with serious, you get what I say? Once it's a serious song and it's a bad song, yeah, I'm ready, you see me? Yeah, I could have even smallest artist. Once it's a bad song, then I'm ready, because it come out of anything or anybody, man, you see me? Yeah, so no matter the name, you see it.
see. Alright, Popstar. Well, big up who for big up no Popstar and shout out because
Yo, I say, yo, YGP, you know the thing go down. ZIS, me G, big up yourself, though. I say, yo, 1G, you know the thing go. More, big up your damn self every time. You don't know you're my partner in crime for life, though. I say, yo, Motive, Shotty. You see me, I say, big up everybody who tune into my music and every fan of Popstar music, you know the thing go down. Big up your whole nigga said, the whole four corner, you get what I say? Up top, down.
yes, sir. Yo, badness.
You know what thing go down.
Respect for pass through next Friday, fam.
Yeah, man, I say respect for your strength to do.
Yes,
you know, thing go down. Yeah, man, respect every time, my G, man.
Yeah, man. Peeps go support the music. Young talent out there. So, go look for him. Support the thing, man. Support the movement.
You know the thing go, Popstar YG name, though. I'm out.
Right there, so peeps, there you have it. Another exciting episode of next Friday. Now be sure to go and subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell, do the thing, because you don't want to miss a beat. And remember, next Friday, every Friday. We out.
At the door, Teino Evans. You know the thing go. Boom, check out the media, they make sure you subscribe, though.
Like sofa.
Book top.
Yeah.
See your fans there, babe. Who for sang that? Who for sang that?
Pops Boss.
How you mean?
Big up Pops Boss in our place. Pops we say Ray.
Yeah, female this year, you know that we say.
Yeah.
Yeah, here man, we have to big him up to the fullest. To the fullest, we have to big him up. And we say Pops.
Pulley we are say, pulley.
Yeah,
Pulley we are say. Blessed love, you know? Blessed
Pops we
love,
say.
blessed love.
Pops we
Pops
say.
we say this year
Middle class,
Ray. Long time if you boss, that me say. Pops we
man.
boss, long time we say. Eh?
We not give up on man. That's our
Give
thing
up.
there. That's our thing there.
Yes, I did. Big up Pops.